All right, good morning, everyone. Okay, I believe you guys can hear me. Why is here echoing? What's that? What's that? What's that? Okay, I think it's because of the sound. All right, say hello if you can hear me. We're live now. Say hello if you can hear me. Okay. All right. Morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. So I'm going to share my screen now. So let's go right into it. Let's go right into it. All right. So I'll explain this, but before I do, um, let's see if we can trade BTC this morning. Hold on. Euro dollar is actually giving me. I've checked it. I've checked it on different time frame, and before I start, so win rates on BTC this morning is high. We need a more stable market to trade this signal or to trade this indicator. That's why sometimes if it's not playing out, see, Bitcoin gave a sell sign here. Bitcoin gave a sell sign. So let's see. Okay, it's not going to sell. Also, I think we need to check. Let's check the percentage on expert option interface. Can somebody help me confirm that? Let me look for it on my phone. Let me look for it on my phone. Hold on. Okay, I think the percentage for Bitcoin is 74, which is low. But let's see gold. Let's see gold. Okay, gold is 81, which is better. So let's go back to gold. Okay, let's go back to gold. All right, gold is actually more stable and giving a good confluence this morning. So let's trade gold. Let's trade gold this morning. So I'm going to explain how this works. Now, usually when this signal comes up, it takes 5 signals, 5 candlesticks to give a report. So you say this is a sell on this candle. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This right here is a sell also. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the stretches are in 5 candlesticks. And this is a 1 minute candlestick time frame. So if you want to take trades here, you can either decide to do 5 minutes or you do 3 minutes. If you're doing 5 minutes, then you don't have a problem. As soon as it pops up, you go into it. As soon as it pops up, a sell, you go into it. But to do 3 minutes means we must sort out for a better entry when we get a signal. And that means when we get a, let me give us an instance. Okay. When you get a buy here, all right, this is a buy. This buy came up as green, and it is preferable to buy when it is red, when you see a red candlestick. So you're going to wait for the next candlestick to close and most likely give us a red. So if you had entered this trade maybe on this red, you should have won the trade. Okay, this was an obvious sell. Let me show you another one. This one. Okay. So this sell, this was where it entered, but immediately this candlestick was initiated, the price still went up. So this up here would be a better entry. Let's look for another example. Although this was one, but this was the entry for the sell. See another entry. So after the first candlestick that was initiated, the next one, you would find an entry there. And this is exactly the same thing that I explained to my VIP channel members. If you're trading 3 minutes, you want to look for the next candlestick after a signal has been initiated. I don't expect this to be difficult. So that would give you a good entry. Or you go with the 5 minutes candlestick deal duration. If you do 5 minutes, then you should. Now, this this strategy uses the liquidity region that we trade. It uses MACD, it uses RSI. So all of them is, it is still me, literally me, who is still giving you a signal. That's what it means. So, but let's trade gold this morning because BTC is giving 71%, which is low. So we're going to wait for, you can see that gold has a good win rate and the market is more stable. Less manipulation happening right here. Okay. Let's wait for the next so that I'll teach us how to enter. For the due duration, let's stick to 3 minutes due duration for now, and just be monitoring the charts. Once it gives us a buy or a sell, I will show us how to enter. Okay, 5 minutes said sell. So on 5 minutes, it is still bearish. That's what it means. Let's see 15 minutes. See, 15 minutes give a sell. Look at it. So this current candlestick on 15 minutes is indicating a sell. So we expect a sell. If the higher time frame is bearish, of course, we would get a better entry following that bearish move on the lower time frame. Let me say that again. Let's say 15 minutes or 30 minutes says bearish. Is there a signal on 30 minutes? No, there's no signal on 30 minutes yet. But 15 minutes gave a sign saying sell. Remember, if you are using this, I'm still thinking of best way to release access for this indicator. But whenever it says sell like this, it is telling you that, okay, based on all of this analysis, the market should come down. But then within this time frame, if we're to be trading on the crypto space, it will be better. Like it will, but this is binary options. You need to calculate exactly the proper time frame. So once it gives a signal, you get your entry. It gives this one, it said sell. But before it started coming down, you see that this long shadow here, the price went up a bit. So if it gives you a sell, You might want to wait for the next candlestick to see the reaction, whether it will continue going up or whether the next candlestick would obey that sell order. And that is your entry. Okay. We don't just jump into it because analysis can be correct, but there will be manipulations in the markets. I hope we understand. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. The reason why One of the reasons why I came up with this is to simplify our trading, because most times we just spend time online and not get good trades. Sometimes because we don't see them, other times because we are not attentive enough. But with a boat, once A and B aligns, it tells you what to do next. And that is what I want us to be doing. Somebody saying, how do we find BTC on the expert option? Simple now. Just go to that search bar and search Bitcoin. Don't search BTC, search Bitcoin. Search Bitcoin. So as this is going up now, I am expecting it to give me a sell soon. Confirm. So now it just gave a sell sign. Are you ready? I'm not going into a sell immediately. Mind you, I am not going into a sell immediately. See, this sell came out and the candlestick is actually red. So what I would do is I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for it to go up. All right. Maybe give me, or this candlestick closes, next one come up with green. It will be a better entry for 3 minutes straight. So set your due duration to 3 minutes. Remember, this is gold. You see what I said playing out, right? This is how to use the indicator. Remember, we are trading gold. Okay. So let this candlestick close. Let's see the next one and how it is initiated. Once it comes up, we'll look for an entry. Is the best way to take this. All right. It is coming up now. Yeah. So we have the next 1 minute. It is going to push up and exactly sell, guys. That's the sell. That's the sell. That's the 3 minutes words. That's a 3 minute sell. So go for it. That's the 3 minute sell. So this is a better entry compared to when it was here. So if this signal is going to hold, then it should start selling from this point. Don't worry. Okay, 5 minutes still looks good, but it's still pushing up. 5 minutes would have been perfect for a retracement right here. But I think that signal went sideways because of the buy volume that just came in. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. With the way things are right now, this is going to be the targets. This, well, let's see. Let's see what happens. If the market truly is weak, then we would see a dump. If the market truly is weak, if you had entered here immediately, the risk is higher than if you entered up here. So if we can reverse back, what's our buyers coming in all of a sudden? Let me see. This candle is still on sell. Let's see 3 minutes. Let's see 1 minute. Okay, okay. So much buy volume came in. So much buy volume. This would have been another good entry for his. Well, I know why it told us to sell here actually. Whenever it gives us a signal, I know exactly why. I know exactly why. It's because of this FVG and this market's correction. Let's see. No, this has so much volume just came into the markets in less than 3 minutes. Safe. That's wrong with this one. Mm, okay, liquidity has been taken, but we don't have time to make this trade again. We lost it. Let's wait for what it says next. You can trust this guy. Trust me. So okay. No, this buy volume is very obvious. This one is not. Buyers are not joking here. Very, very obvious. So let's see if it is going to okay sell. Um, yeah, lost this trade. Let me see what is happening on a higher time frame for this guy. Is gold bullish? Okay, just broke out of here. Just broke out of here. So we have this, right? Okay. A 15-minute candlestick just opened, and we still have this guy showing us a sell. Let me see if I get a sell on 1 minute. No, it is not indicating a sell. So just hold on. It is not indicating a sell. So just hold on. For it not to tell us to sell, it means there is no reversal sign at this point. So we'll wait for it. But if it gives a red candlestick here, trust me, this boat will tell us to sell. Yeah, and that is expected. If this candlestick gives us is a red, most likely to tell us to sell, because that's how quick it uses the indicators. Let's see. So much buy volume coming in. And I think that's one of the reasons we got. Let me look at BTC again. Even though the percentage on BTC is very low. So one, one, one. So the last three trades on BTC were one. Okay, this one one. Okay. Give it buy. I'm still struggling. That's so you see that this doesn't just work for currencies, it also works for crypto. It works well for crypto. It works very well for crypto. So let's look for a sell sign here. Let's see what it's going to show us. Somebody saying I should customize to 3 minutes. No, it's not. It's not for 3 minutes. Like these candlesticks are supposed to be 1 minute. Okay, it just gave us a sell sign. Now what are we going to do? We'll wait for it to go back up. You see that reversal? Let's wait for it to go back up. If it's a little more push, a little more push, a little more push if possible. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, a little more push if possible. Is that all? Is that all? Okay, I think that's all. Let's go, guys. Sell it. That's another entry for you. As long as it is showing. Why is this no? What? Let me see why now. My app is not working. finally came up. Okay, great, great, great. Let's see how it plays out. So if we're going to have a retracement, then it should come down, and that is all. That is all. Great. So instead of me waiting for a reversal and trying to calculate the exact points when it takes out this liquid region, because this side now serves as a liquidity region, instead of me just calculating or we doing it, you see that the indicator combines the same strategy and tells us when to sell. All we need to do is find a good entry and go for the trade. Okay, so let's see. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see how many minutes we have. Okay, we have less than 1 minute to win this trade. So I am here to explain how this works, right? So that when you see it up next time, even without me explaining, you should be able to follow the signals. And one thing I would do is before I come live, I will check the pair that is actually giving me a stable market range. I think, yeah, that would really be necessary. I'll check the pair that is giving me a stable market range, and then we can alternate. We mustn't just stick to euro dollar, even in the days that it is misbehaving. Some days this pair will misbehave. Just like I like trading euro dollar because the percentage is higher. We have less than 30 seconds winning this trade, winning this trade, winning this trade. Less than 10 seconds. And three, two. Don't mind me, I'm looking at it from my phone. And this was a win. This was a win. Don't worry, I'll be sharing it. I'll share it to the channel. This was a win. How many of you took the trade? All right, congratulations. Congratulations, those of you who took it. I can see your comments. Let's wait for the next thing. Let's wait for the next thing. Let's wait for the next sign. So as it is right here, okay, it has even showed you that the market was won. If it goes back up within this region without breaking above the previous high and it gives me a sell, I will still do the same thing because it will now be a double head that would require a reversal. So that's how it works. That's how it works. If you stick to the strategy and follow your martingale, of course, you should remain in profit, especially in a stable market. So if we check, you see the kind of misbehavior that euro dollar is giving us this morning. Let me check it again and see, because once the market is not stable here, it is the same indicator. So you see, not selling, not buying, and not buying. So that alone tells that this money, and it is one of the reasons why even me, when I analyze the markets some days, it doesn't enter, because your analysis can be saying one thing and the chart will be saying another thing. So for that, we checked others. We just, you know, wow, this cell was crazy. Cell was crazy, but it's still the trade we took. The same strategy, but if you look at the movement on gold, you can tell that it is not the strategy that is your problem. It is the market that does what it wants to do. So mind you, no matter what is happening in your trading life or in your trading journey, know the difference between when your strategy is not working and when the market is misbehaving, because you can get emotional. And that's why I always say, don't blow your account. Don't blow your account. If, as long as you don't get liquidated, you still have another day. There are several chances for you to trade again. But you cannot say because you had a bad morning or a bad day or a bad week, all your money is gone. It's not a good plan. And one of the most difficult things that I've noticed for some of you is it is hard for you to follow a plan. Maybe when you trade to the point that you have lost millions, you now say, oh, more, I need to calm down and follow a plan. So all the things you're feeling, I have felt it. We all have felt it. It's not new. It's not new. This same thing, this same analysis, if we check other pairs, you will see that the reaction is different. Let me say I check. Suggest any pair for me in the comment section. Suggest any pair for me. What pair do you want me to apply this on and see the movement? Same strategy, but if you find the good setup or a stable market, it will give you the best reward. Comments now. Why people not okay? Smarty. No, Smarty is not. Smarty belongs to expert option, so it's not on trading view. That's why I don't even trade it. Trust me. Okay, somebody said Ethereum, ETH. Let's do ETH and see. Okay, ETH dollars. Let's see what happens with this. Win, win. There's a sell here. Oh, how did you lose this? It's supposed to win this one. Okay, there's another sell here. There's another loss here. So 2 wins, 2 losses so far. Okay, there's a win here. There's a sell. This sell is supposed to be one now. See, if this was a sell, okay, it was close. It was very close to it. See, another win. As long as it doesn't give 2, 3 losses consecutively, it means the market is stable enough to give you a good win rate. And in fact, if you check other time frames, you would see another result. So imagine you're using this indicator and then 1 minute is not working at that point. You can switch to 5 minutes or switch to 3 minutes and see how stable the market is moving. Let me check 3 minutes again. But it is exactly same strategy. If it will shock you to know that on higher time frame, you could even get a better result. I am teaching you people how to use this indicator in case I finally decide to give it to you. Imagine imagine something that tells you to sell Ethereum. See, it has already showed Ethereum sell at 4,500 and it is currently at 4,003 something. So imagine, okay, this was a buy and this was 1 day time frame. Oh, don't forget, this was 1 day time frame. So 27th of September, this indicator showed us that Bitcoin would be going up. Did it go up or not? Ethereum. So Ethereum went from this side, which was 3,900 to 4,500. Do you know how much you would have made from this if you were holding crypto? So the major, in fact, you can make big money trading the futures markets with this. Trust me, you can. So if this kind of move can be captured, see, This was also a win. See when he told us that Bitcoin, Ethereum was going to dump. See, so if you check the win rates on 1 day time frame, you can tell that the win rate here is very okay. So this was a sell, it is selling. This was a buy, it's really bought. This was a sell, it sold. Then this was a sell. Although the price came down, if you look at it, if you're trading futures bar, what am I even saying? There's no need. Let's go back to why we are here. Let me go back to my good and see what is happening. We're supposed to be trading 1 day time frame on gold. See, 1 day time frame on gold is not moving. So as long as it is doing this close movements, we are not going to get any better results, which means you cannot hold good. All right, it has given us a buy. Let's see, because I want to talk. Okay, great. Let's go into it, guys. Let's go into it. I think this is a good entry. It gave a buy here, and the candlestick came down. All right, let's go. Let's go. Don't worry. Don't be emotional about it. Do a buy. Do a buy. Do a buy. In fact, we got a better entry. That's what it means. We're trading gold. If you do a buy here, the market should retrace back up. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, 3 minutes. You see that 3 minutes gave a sell also, and the market dumped. Good, good. 1 minute playing well. So when you're getting a buy, you want to buy when there is red. If it tells sell, you want to sell when you see the next green, something like that. Especially if you're using 3 minutes, because this is 5 candlesticks. That means 5 minutes. So you can do your own trade, and in 3 minutes to close, this signal will still continue until it reaches 5 minutes. So if you want to follow what it is doing strictly, you can do 5 minutes. But if you want to trade 3 minutes, you need to find a good entry always. That's why when you're taking my signals, I would say if you see it late, please find a good entry. Make sure you confirm if it is going to if it is going up already or down already based on what the signal says. All right, if this 1 minute candlestick pushes upwards, we're going to win this trade and it should reverse up. If it pushes upward right now, oh, it's not doing that. It's not doing that. Why? We can still win this trade if it closes. Oh, this is still bearish. All right, great. Back in profit. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've not lost it. We are still in the trade. Oh. We are not losing it, guys. Don't worry. We still have hope. We still have like 1 minute. This thing is coming now. Let's see. Oh no. Looks like we're going to lose with it. Looks like we're going to lose with it. Ooh, great. Back in profits, guys. It's now above my entry. Interesting. Okay. Let's go. We're winning this trade. We are outsmarting the signal. Great. I love it. Can you see what is happening? Yeah. So winning this trade. Everything boils down to better entry. So it just gave us a buy sign now. If it comes down, I'll go into a buy. Wait to let this one close. Let this one close. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. So we just want this one. Now for this buy that it has shown us, we are not going to enter it yet. Let the next candlestick come out or come up and then drop. If it comes up like that and drop, we would get a good entry. Do we understand? So we're able to win this trade because we got a good entry. Sorry that I'm trading with my phone. I logged out my this thing on PC. So if I want to start logging in now, people will see my password. I'm already live. But here You can see that I am putting up the results. I'm putting up the results here. Great. So if this is a buy, then we just got another candlestick. Let it come down a bit. Stay ready. Stay ready. Hold on. This candlestick here, I want it to come down. Just give me a lower shadow and we'll find that buy. That buy that is telling us to do. We'll find it. Wait first. Wait first. Has it given us this? Oh, I just wanted to give us a lower shadow, something like that. Something like that. Just small, small. Let it come down. Great. Great, great, great. Let it come down. Let it come down. Great. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You're buying it. You're buying it now. You're buying it. You're buying it. If you're in, say boss, I'm in. Great. If you're buying, if you're in, say boss, I'm in. If you're in, say boss, I'm in. If you're in, say boss, I'm in. Those of you asking how do you set up, I have not given access to these bots, so you cannot set it up. You cannot do it until I give you access. It's not free. Somebody saying, how do you know when it says buy? Are you not seeing the screen? My goodness. Can you not see buy here? Can you not see buy? Can you not see loss? Can you not see win? So it tells you here. You can. Okay, okay. Let's see. You're supposed to push up at this point. You're supposed to go up at this point. So if you are, bye, bye. The volume here is, yeah, great. Volume is coming now. Volume is coming. Saying it, saying it. Great, great. We have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then we win this trade. Can you push up? Push up. Let me see 5 minute candlestick. Let's see what it is saying. Oh, this 5 minute is not looking good. Oh, this 5 minute candle is not looking good. You can flip down. But let's see. Our strategy says we're going up. So let's see if that plays out. At least come up to take out this previous high. We have 1 minute. Oh, the market is selling. Market is selling massively. Let's see. Let's see how this plays out. We can win this trade. We can win this trade. We can win this trade. We can do it. We can do it. Yeah. Oh, so much on the sell side. Is that 5 minutes? I saw it. I saw it coming. This 5 minutes. I saw it coming. So it's coming. This one is still saying okay from the sell. Whoa. We can still win this trade. We can still win this trade. If this flips green, but we don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, 3, 2. Oh no, 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 no. It came to my entry and still fell back down. So we lost it. Very close. Very close. Very, very close. Very, very close. Very, very close. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. See when the buy is coming. See when the buy is coming in. Okay. 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 If this gives another candlestick and it drops a bit, you see that the signal will tell us to buy. I hope you've noticed that the market is moving from this range to another, buy side, sell side. So within this region is a reversal zone. That's what it means. And that's why it is always giving us a sign in those areas. Okay. So when it touched here, you see that it gave us a sell, but it didn't give us a sell here. Well calculated. Let's see. Okay, let's hold on. One more trade. One more trade. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What is it going to tell us next? I expect it to start looking for a buy for us. But 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes looks good. It's going to close in 2 minutes and 50 something seconds. If it closes like this, then we should get a buy entry. Trust me. Great, great, great. See, it just gave us a buy. But now is not a good time to buy. We cannot just buy these markets now. So what are we going to do? We will wait. It's not like the buy is wrong. Oh. It's a good buy. If we do 5 minutes, of course, in 5 minutes, we should expect it to, even if it comes down for a retracement, it should go up. But if I'm trading 3 minutes, I want to get a good entry. Let this candle stick. Even if it closes as green, it's still fine. Let the next one come down as red, then we'll enter it. It will reverse. Something like that. Something like that. So let's see. Let's see. Ooh, such a pullback. So let's see how this next candlestick moves. Great. Did you see that? One more, one more, one more, one more, one more, and I would find an entry. One more, one more. Okay. This cell is too much. Oh. This cell is too much. Oh. Now I'm scared. But let's go. Let's go into it. Don't worry. We're buying. We're buying. We're buying. We're buying. Let's see. Kind of. I wanted the cell to stop here. Let me see 5 minutes. Let me see 5 minutes. 5 minutes of sport. 5 minutes of sports. But don't worry, our signal says buy. So I am in. Oh. Me, I'm in already. Oh. Ah, no, 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 no. This looks very bad. It closed very bad. Closed very bad. Except miracle happens. Though I'm in. I'm in. No problems. I'm already in this trade. I'm in this trade. It's closed very. Why will you come down here and close? So my hope now is that this 5 minute candlestick gives me a reaction upwards. Otherwise, I will lose this trade. If this candlestick opens and give me a reaction upwards, I'll win this trade. That's all I need. Let me see emotions versus signal. Emotion versus signal, or emotion versus strategy. Wow. Emotion versus strategy. Let's see who wins. Wow. I hope I win this thing. Emotion versus strategy. Let's see who wins. Oh, no, no, no. This doesn't look good. This 5 minutes, the way it started going up straight, you can tell that it will come down to give a lower shadow. It always happens. This is basic. I said it. This is basic candlestick movements. It will come down to give a lower shadow. So now that it has given me a lower shadow, if it likes, it can go up. If it doesn't like, it can keep coming down. Let's see emotion versus strategy. Will I win this trade? We have less than 1 minute. If this candlestick flips up, then I am confident about winning. Great. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, no, 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 no. Things are not in my favor. Okay, okay, okay. It is above my buy entry. It is above my buy entry. Funny how it is martingale I use for this thing. Maybe Juju be that. Oh, no, 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 no. Damn. So emotion one. Emotion, emotion, emotion. Why did he give it buy? I bet this candlestick here. Why did he give it buy? What did he see? Let me check. Let me check this pair. Let me check. Let me check euro dollar. Oh, euro dollar is correcting. Win, 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 win. Last two was one. Okay. They should give a sell. They should give a sell. They should give a sell here. Okay, so the buy. And they should give a sell. Somebody said emotion, strategy, and faith. Samuel, you won the trade. Congratulations. So my own didn't win. Oh, I lost it. So I want us to trade this euro dollar. I'm expecting a sell signal. So let's see if it gives us. I'm expecting a sell signal here. Perfect. Up, down, retracements, come down. So I'm expecting a sell signal on euro dollar. So change your pair to euro dollar, and make sure it's on 3 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. Or should we stick to our good? This looks good. This looks good. That's why I want to try it. It looks good. Um, let's see. Okay, just broke out. No, it will not give. It will not sell. It will not sell. I just saw it. It will not sell. It will not sell. Because gold just gave us three consecutive loss. Even though we won this one by ourselves, But these three losses, it means the market is not buying. If the market is not buying, then something is wrong. Mm, mm, mm. Market is not buying. Okay. Would this one buy? 5 minutes. Would this one buy? This is why there is no indicator in this world that is absolute. No one, no trading boats in this world that is absolute. But as it is, if you have a martingale, even though it is three trades you lost or four trades, the fifth one you will recover your money. So it's one of the confidence we have. It is when you see like seven, eight, or six losses, that one it becomes bad. It becomes bad when you begin to see 6, 7, 8, 9 losses consecutively. It becomes very bad. But 3, 4, you are still within range. Okay, the fifth one will get you all your money back, and you try again. 5 minute candle just opened and it is coming down. I'm going to give a call if you don't give me a sell, a buy call. So if it comes down here, okay. If it comes down, I should get a buy on gold. Yeah, I should get a buy on gold. Great. Why is it not giving me a buy? Why is it not giving me a buy? I want to be checking other pairs. Don't worry, I will call the one that I want us to trade. Okay, see when this one finally gives a sell. Let's go back to our gold. I don't understand euro dollars this morning. Mm, 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 mm. Let's wait for it. Okay. Why is this thing not giving me an entry? It's supposed to give me an entry already. Or okay, the market is not looking good actually. This will be our last trade, so let's try to win it. Let's try to win it. Okay. I expect an entry right here. So what we are going to do in the next trade bar, change it to 5 minutes. Let's follow it. Change it to 5 minutes because this is a long way. So change it to 5 minutes. It should give us an entry any moment from now. This is our last trade, and I really would want to win this trade. Okay, okay, looks good. Why is it not giving me an entry? Is there something wrong in the markets? Is there something wrong here? Oh, this 3 minutes candlestick gave a buy. If 3 minutes candlestick gave a buy, why is 1 minute not giving a buy? I don't understand why this thing is doing me like this. We're supposed to get a buy entry after this candlestick closes. We're supposed to get a buy entry. Hmm. Not be me write the strategy. Why? Why I not gonna know what to expect? See, this could give a buy. This 3 minute give a buy. And if you check the 5 minute also, it give a buy. Or it should have a buy. Oh, it didn't give. Why? Does it mean okay? Let's wait and see what it wants to do. Let's wait and see what it wants to do. Mm, mm, mm. So with this dropping, you should know that volume is reducing. When it is dropping like this, it means volume is reducing. When it starts going up, volume is increasing. Mm, mm. Let's see. Okay. I think maybe when this 3 minute closes and the next one comes down, most likely 1 minute would give us a buy entry, I guess. I guess. One more trade. Let's recover. One more trade. Hold on. Let's see what happens. Mm-mm. It's not giving us entry here. This buy was very valid. Very valid buy here. Maybe maybe because of the decline in buy volume, it wants to give us a sell. We can get a sell up here based on that decline. But let me see what higher time frame says. Higher time frame is bullish. Higher time frame is bullish. Let's wait for it. Okay. Looks like we are not going to get a buy anymore. So it's coming. Okay. Most likely we'll look for a sell or we'll get a sell up here. That's still that's still nice. That's still nice. Let's see if we can get a sell up there. All right. Mm, all right. All right. All right. More like it. Let's see. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. This closes down. The next candlestick comes up. I should expect it to give me that signal. Give me that signal. Ready? Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Exactly. You see? Give us a sell. But that's not the entry. Wait, wait, wait. Let it go up. It will still go up. Don't worry. Let me see what 3 minutes says. Uh, uh, uh. Let's wait for. Oh my goodness. What a dump. What a dump. What a dump. Don't worry. Let's just wait for the next candlestick. It will close in 20 seconds. The same thing with that 3 minutes candle that we've been waiting for. This 3 minutes. If it closes also, it should push up. That one will be our entry. Oh, but this is really dumping. Oh, what? That dump is crazy. Okay, let's see if it goes up. Let's see if it goes up. Ready? Please go back to 3 minutes on gold. We're trading gold. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's see if it gives us. This is bad. It's not giving us that entry. I want it up. I want it up. No, no, no. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. More. Go up more. Go up more. Go up more. Okay. Oh my God, okay. Goes up just a little more. I would have been okay. Better. Let me go back to my 1 minute now. All right. Let's go, guys. Selling it. Selling it. 3 minutes. Selling it for 3 minutes. We're selling it for 3 minutes. If you're in, so boss, I am in. Oh my God. I hope I win this trade. Um, because I've risked so much here. That's the entry now. Just calm down, Benny. Calm down already. We already got the entry, man. 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes is still good. 5 minutes is still looking okay. Um, um. Why? Where are the buyers coming from when I've entered this market? One, two, three, four. Okay. I still have time. Let's see. This market is buying. Oh, who is buying it? Gracious God. Who is buying this market like this? Hmm? When we are supposed to be selling it. Mm-hmm. Let's see. I know you will win it now. Can you now calm down? Can you now calm down? Oh, no, 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 no. I hate that. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. A few seconds to go, and this market is now dropping. Lost it. Lost it. No, 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 no. Not nice. Oh, my trade is still live. Oh, oh the time, the time. Oh, no, we lost it. It has closed. Let's see euro dollar. This market is not even stable today. Oh, let's trade in the evening. Let's not force it. First sell, second sell. One, lost one. All right, guys. I think we'll spend some more time this morning. Let's trade again in the evening. We get our recovery. Thank you.